Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Create with the Heart, and I'm back with a haul. So I have a Hobby Lobby and a Tuesday morning haul. So I'm going to go ahead and start with Tuesday morning. And everyone's been hauling some Paper Studio, really cute Paper Studio scrapbook packs or paper crafting kits. So when I went there, a lot of the kits were sold out, at least the ones I was interested in getting. But I did find these two that I really, really liked. I thought they make really cute traveler's notebooks. Scrapbook pages are just something fun. So this one is called Chase Rainbows Paper Crafting Kit. And it comes with, looks like 5 sheets. Looks like 5 sheets of scrapbook paper. I don't know if it's double-sided. Actually, it says it's got 10 12 by 12 scrapbook papers, probably one-sided. It has one cardstock sticker sheet, one 3D embellishment sticker sheet, gemstone sticker sheet, and the alphas are there. So I thought it was really cute. The other one that I got is the Mint to be Fab scrapbooking kit. This one's super cute. Also, and these were half off. All their Paper Studio products was half off. So I did find this one, and this is mint and gold and some peach, and very, very cute. Same thing, comes with 2 each of these papers. I love it. I love the pineapples and the colors, and the stickers are really, really cute. So I got that. And then I also finally got the 12 by 12 LOL, and this one was half off. So I really wanted this one because it had all these other papers that my 8 by 8 doesn't have. So it's got a lot more florals, and I just really liked that. The other things that I got, I did get these. They were 99 cents. Not too crazy. I got this, which is the LOL Post-its. And the thing about these is if you have a ring planner, these can fit in the ring planner, which I'm not using a ring planner right now, so it's just kind of a waste. And then I also got the LOL washi. This is the Lady Boss washi tape. You get 5 foiled, 4 non-foiled. So it's pretty cute. And some skinny ones. And I think it's pretty adorable. So it was half off. It's normally $14.99, so it was $7.50. And then I also got this pom-pom trim, which I probably paid too much for. But I really needed black trim for a variety of projects that I'm doing for Halloween. And I just didn't have time to wait to get them and order it elsewhere. So, and then I looked really reasonable ribbon. I looked somewhere else and they were out of stock on the black, so I went with that. And then I did buy, to try out my LOL little glue gun, I needed the mini glue sticks, so I did buy those. I used my 40% off coupon on that. So that is my Hobby Lobby haul. Didn't buy a ton of stuff there. I kept it pretty light because I'm kind of drowning in paper. I really need to start working on some stuff. Okay, that's my dog, if you hear that right now. He's crazy. So I'm going to tell you that I didn't find a ton of stuff at Tuesday morning, but I do really like what I did find. So I did find, and I bought 2 of them, is this 12 by 12 infused. I just love the macaroons and the tea and the teapots. So cute. $5.99. The number for this is 2013921. So it's 2013921. Normally $21.99, on sale for $5.99. And it has all these papers in it. It has some cut aparts. It's super cute. And what's really cool about this paper is it's kind of got a sheen to it. It's not like that cardstocky kind of thing that you usually get from these type of paper bags from Authentique. It's got like a finish to it, so it feels really smooth. I'll show you this page because I love this page so much. So cute. I love the cut aparts in this. I did get 2 of them because sometimes, you know, one isn't enough, and I just love the paper so much that I had to get two. So I did get that. I got this, which is Fright Night by American Crafts. It's $6.99, normally $19.99. I was lamenting not finding die cuts with a view. I probably will end up not buying any unless I get it really, really cheap, like $5. I probably won't, because I do like how the die cuts, new die cuts with a view, have the sticker sheets in them. So I think that's cool. The number for this is 1975294, and these are all the papers you get. And what's kind of cool about this one is that it's not super Halloweeny. You can use this for fall. You can use this for other items that you need to, not just fall, because you got black and white. You've even got this wood grain. It's very neutral. I mean, you do have a few things in here that are very Halloween, but not everything. So it's pretty cool. So I did get that. And then keeping on the theme with the paper, I did break down and go ahead and get the Imagine, because it has that same sort of shiny sheen to the paper. I went ahead and got it because I like it a lot better in this treatment of paper, because I had it before where it was just a cardstock kind of paper, and it was very muted, and the paper is definitely brighter with this sheen. So it's $5.99. The number for this is 2013920, and I don't usually do flip throughs just because that's not my thing. But I do love those kind of parts, and they're much brighter than they were when I had the other pad. So it's really nice. And they only had the one. And then I did find this one. I feel like I have had this before. Like I had purchased it full price, or I don't know, or I might have parts of Cozy Christmas from a box, a warehouse box. I think that might be it. So this is a really good deal for $2.49. Says it's normally $8.99. The number is 1995892. You get 3 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided paper with red glitter, and 3 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock paper. I'm not sure. Oh, I get it. So you get 6 sheets. 3 that has red glitter, 3 without, and then a coordinating sticker sheet, which is this right here. I feel like I do have pieces to this, so that's cool. I'm excited about that. And then I got Bloom in the 6x6, which I don't think I have it in the 6x6. So this is $2.99. The number for this is 2026702. That one's super cute. And I ended up, I did buy 2 of those because I feel like if I have 2 of them, then I feel like I can use it. I know it sounds really dumb, but sometimes I feel like, oh, if I use it, then it'll be gone. So pebbles, I did buy these bat clips. I feel like clothespins. I feel like I can make these, but I feel like painting and cutting and, so for $1.99, I saved myself the trouble, and then I've got them if I want to use these clips for anything while I'm doing projects. And I think they only had the one, because I could have used 2, I think, because there's only 6 in here. And so the number for this is 2029154. And then I did buy these because sometimes these are cool, like junk journal style, without being too junky. So these were $1.49. They're called library tags, even though I have no tags that look like this in the library that say inventory. These are more like clothes tags, but whatever. The number is 1962761. So I say whatever on that. I did buy this. This is Chamel Glitter Girl Self-Inking Stamp. I have no idea how it works. If I'm supposed to have like a little stamp doohickey to make this work. I'm feeling like I might have it, but I think I could find, no, they're all connected, and then you connect it on the top maybe, and then you roll it. It's kind of weird. But anyway, I got this. I'm going to try it out. $1.99. It's 2028372, and I liked it because it had this super cute unicorn head. It says a unicorn head. It says hello somehow. That spells out because they're so tiny. Cameras and stars, and it was just adorable. So I got that because why not? I was there, and it was the only one they had. And then I got, yikes, this. So I've hauled this before, but now I have a spare, so now I feel like I can use it. And this is the Maggie Holmes Carousel word sticker. It spells, I think it's dream and love you, which is adorable. $1.99, 2026713. I probably will use something like this for my daughter's scrapbook because I love her, so why not? And then I did buy the white treat bags. I don't know, like in the lighting, I thought these were more of a vellum bag, but they're not. That's fine. These are really cute to doctor up. American Crafts, 24 of them for $1.99. It's 1962780. And then I got this. Now they had, the first time I went to Tuesday morning, because this is over 2 trips, they had a ton of this Desire dies. And I think I hauled, did I haul any of them? I don't know if I hauled any of them. Maybe I just chose to get one of them possibly. But I did get this one because I had been thinking, because I was one of the people who did not get the Maya Road die that they had. You know, they do the pink, and it's a tree, and I think it's like hearts or whatever. Super, super cute. But this tree can do something very similar to that, even better. It's got all these other little kind of leaves and things that you could put on it. So this is the one I got. The only other one that I really would have gotten was the owl. So that one I'm looking for. Otherwise, I just felt like I have a lot of dies, much like the ones that were there, that I don't use. So this one's called Blossoming Tree, and the number for this is 2027918, and it's $4.99. And then I was turning the corner, like looking at all of the stuff that they got Halloween kind of almost out when they're putting in Christmas. And I thought, look, maybe they have Christmas stuff. And they had some Christmas bows, like from Echo Park. But mixed in there, they had the Tim Holtz Ideology. They had the one that's Christmas that I already hauled. And then this one, which is the one I was looking for $2.99. The number is 1957963. So this was not in the craft area. This was over in the holiday area. So sometimes you need to make sure that you look over in the holiday area. Just do a quick walkthrough, because sometimes they put stuff that's Christmas themed over there that you might want. I'm thinking about using this like with paint, maybe in my art journal. I don't know. I'm debating. But the thing about the foam, I know it's cling, but with the foam, it will take paint really well. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Just use regular ink. I'm going to have to experiment and see like how this stamps out with regular ink. So anyway, that is my haul. I'm happy with it. All this stuff, you know, it's not crazy what I got, but it's all stuff that I can see myself using, which is kind of important because I feel like there's not that much time to the first of the year, and I really need to get through my stash. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Crying with a Heart.